Alright, hey fam, welcome back to this particular video. In this video we're going to be talking about the review and also the specifications of the Tecno Pop 8. Tecno's newest smartphone, which is the Tecno Pop 8, was announced on the 30th of October 2023, and the most outstanding feature is that it has this dynamic port, which is similar to the dynamic island on the flagship iPhones. Alright, so this is the review on the specifications of the Tecno Pop 8. Let's get into the video. Okay, let's kick up things with the display. The Tecno Pop 8 boasts of a vibrant IPS LCD display with a smooth 90Hz refresh rate, providing a visually stunning experience. The 6.6 inches display offers an impressive 720 by 1612 pixels and a remarkable screen-to-body ratio of 84.6%. Powering this device is the Android 13 Go edition with the Unisoc T606 processor. The Pop 8 provides a versatile storage option, with variants offering 64 gigs to 128 gig storage space, including the 3 GB and 4 GB worth of RAM. This phone is expandable to 1 TB using SD card also. The camera is not something really impressive, but I mean it's okay for kind of budget phone like this. It's actually a 30 megapixels main camera and an 8 megapixel selfie camera, and I mean with ample lighting, with great lighting, you should actually capture decent pictures and also videos. It comes with a dual speaker and a 3.5mm headphone jack, Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth, GPS, radio, and also supports Type-C and OTG for seamless communication or connectivity. It comes with a side-mounted fingerprint, which comes in handy with a robust 5000 mAh battery, which should actually last you using this particular phone lightly. And with heavy usage, this phone should last you at least 7 hours screen on time. The battery is a non-removable battery, which supports 10 watts charging, which is quite slow in the grand scheme of things. I mean, it should actually charge up the phone in around 2 to 3 hours, if you ask me. This phone comes in with 4 vibrant colors: the mystery white, alpenglow gold, magic skin, and the gravity black. Wrapping up my exploration of this device, it's clear that this phone is actually a budget-friendly phone. I mean, it's a mid-range phone, obviously, and if you have a budget of around 98,000 naira or $98 less than $100, you should actually buy this phone for yourself. If you actually consider the specifications and they are actually okay for you, this is not really a multitasking phone, and you should know what you're going into before you actually purchase this particular smartphone. Thank you very much for watching. We've come to the end of this video. If you love this video, please don't forget to like and also follow, subscribe to actually support me. I mean, it's not easy to make these particular videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you when you see me. Peace.